Hi everyone, my name is Yulia and I'm a product manager at Cordless, and today I'll be giving you a quick overview of Cordless's sentiment analysis feature. This tool basically will help you understand your customers' emotions better and assess the quality of your customer support. So yeah, let's dive in. Right within any call details page, you can find a color-coded tab which would show you the overall sentiment for any particular call. Cordless's sentiment analysis uses AI, which extracts negative, positive, and neutral sentiment from call and voicemail data and then assigns one particular sentiment to the call overall. Moreover, within the same call details page, you can see color-coded markers on the call recording player. They are highlighting strong positive, which is green, and strong negative, which are red, moments for this particular call. So you can easily fast forward to these points and dig in and see what actually happened there. Also, all our transcripts sync really well with the recording. So by looking at the transcript, you can also see color-coded sentences that either highlight a negative or a positive sentiment. And by pressing on any of those sentences or words, you can quickly jump into that recording section
I'm unable to
and
remove
listen to what happened. So while the AI is quite impressive, it still might occasionally get the sentiment wrong. So you can adjust the score manually to help it learn and improve over time. So there's a box here where you can change the sentiment if you think that it was actually neutral or in fact positive as opposed to negative. I know that this call has been negative, so I'll just confirm that it's negative. And you can adjust this from here as well by clicking and selecting the sentiment that you think fits the best. And you can also find the sentiment indicator in the calls page over here for each call. And you can equally filter the calls by sentiment. So you can select to see only negative calls, for example, which is handy if you want to look at all the negative calls that happened and actually dive into each one to figure out what went wrong, basically. To make this even more useful for yourselves, you can go into the Insights section of Cordless, where you can find a sentiment analysis tile over here. It basically shows you a breakdown of all of your calls by sentiment. You can dive into this data further to get more insights into your customer interactions and have a look at a more detailed view of the sentiment of the calls by date. You can filter out by a particular team member, for example, to see maybe who's struggling and needs some training, or maybe they're answering very difficult calls, anything. And also filter by a particular keyword that you might be tracking to see what sentiment is associated with each keyword tracker, basically. And by clicking on any of these sections, it will take you to a filtered out calls page for this particular calls. And yeah, that's it. Now you're ready to make the most of Cordless sentiment analysis. Give it a try. Let us know what you think, and thank you for watching.